Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's start the Thevenins Theorem. It states that any linear electrical network with voltage sources, current sources, and resistors can be simplified to an equivalent Thevenin voltage source voltage Thevenin in series with a Thevenin resistance Thevenin. When viewed from the terminals where the load is connected, first remove the load resistor 12 volt. 6 ohms original circuit. Second, find voltage Thevenin. Open circuit voltage 12 voltage. Measure voltage Thevenin. Third, find resistance Thevenin. Equivalent resistance Thevenin. Calculate resistance Thevenin. Fourth, Thevenin equivalent circuit. Minus plus. Voltage Thevenin. Resistance Thevenin 2. Reconnect the load. Minus plus. Voltage Thevenin. Resistance Thevenin. Resistance load. 4 ohms. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please like, comment, subscribe.